Hey guys, it is me, Randy, and I am here to show you a crap ton of special drills, thus the title of the video. I have a lot of stuff to show you. Basically, this video is going to be about Shimmering Canvases. Dawn over there is amazing. I've ordered a lot of drills from her. She's really on top of it. So this box, and this box are ones that I purchased from her. She has had and may still have, I'm not sure, some really good prices on special drills. So I got a square AB box, I got a round AB box, and I got the square crystal drills. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how these came, show you what's in them, and then I got some boxes from Joann's that were a really good price, and some of these don't quite fit, so I'm going to move them to bigger boxes. So let's start with this one. Let's see, is that in the frame? Yeah, whoops, I'll do it like this. Okay, so let's talk about what I got here. Let me look on my cheat sheet and see. These came in the package with them. So this is actually 67 color set of square crystal drills. So they came in this box. I haven't done anything to them yet. This is actually how they're packaged and sent to you. So they're not in any type of order, but you can see the colors are amazing. So here's what they look like. These on top are all ABs. Most of the other ones are not. Like here's a cranberry medium. But they're really great drills. They look amazing on the canvases. I used a lot of these on my Dreamer Designs Harley painting, if you've seen that. If you haven't, you can go to my Instagram at You Can Call Me Butter, and you can see some of the pictures that I posted with a lot of the different drills that I put in there. So these actually will not all fit in this box once I organize them. If I keep them laid down in the box like this, yes, they fit fine. I'm gonna lay this on top of here. But if you look at these, I like to be able to close the boxes and stack them. I've got a bunch of different drills and stuff. So if you try to stand them up down here, they don't, can you see that? Yeah, they don't lay flat. They don't lay flat enough that they'll actually fit if they're standing up. So what I did was I ordered this really cute little box that came from Joann's, and they're having a really good sale right now. I think this box may have been like $8, I don't know, $8, $9, something. Now this one has a Velcro closure instead of the magnetic closure like on the other boxes, but I didn't really care. I thought it was really pretty. It has corals on it, you know me, and it's just gray on the inside, but it's a really nice box. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna organize these by color. I don't really care about names or numbers or whatever. I usually go by color when I'm looking for drills. And as you can see, they will fit down in there fine. I'll even have a little extra room. Can you see that? Yeah. So they'll lay in here fine. Now, my friend Katie, Diamonds and Washi, a long time ago, did a video and told us about these things. And you can get them in different colors. They come in white, they come in lime green, and they come in this color. I don't think there are any more colors than that. But what you can do is you can measure and see what size you need for your box, and then you can snap the extra ones off. So if I want one that goes across here, then I'll just snap the extra ones off and it'll fit down in the box. And then I can put them this way as well. I will show you what it looks like in another box that I've already done that with, but I wanted to show you how I'm gonna do these. So let's move on. This right here is the, let's see, round 80 drill set of 104 colors. So it's a full set. Now these did not come organized the way that I have them right now. They came just all laying in the box, just like the other one that I showed you. But I'll move this to the center. I organized them by color. And you get this great sheet that shows you everything. It's the checklist, and I literally went through and checked everything off. So it's got, let me back this out. It's got all the colors that come in the kit, so it's great. You can look, she's got them organized by DMC number. So if you're looking and, you know, you want to see if you have like, I don't know, you know, I love me some chartreuse, what, 704. So you can look right here and you can see you have 704 chartreuse bright. Perfect. So you can look on here and see what color you need, and then you can look in here and find it. For me, I like going by color just because, you know, a lot of times I'm not going to match. Like here is DMC 954 Nile Green. You know, maybe this color looks really similar to another drill that I have, and so I want to match this, but it doesn't have to be 954. Like if the other drill was a different color, but I really like the way this looked for the diamond painting, then who cares? So what I did is I took these guys, and these are the white ones, and as you can see, they're down in here. So I just put one across the back, and then I put one right here and one right here, and it holds them all in the box just like that. So these fit okay. They're a little bit smushed, but they fit okay in the box, and I can still make the box close. So I'm gonna keep these in here. But like I showed you with the square crystal drills, I'm gonna put those in the larger box so they aren't crunched up. Now, let me show you, I'll put this back over here. Let me show you this box. This is actually a really big box. Yeah, it's a really big box. And I can't get it to close because it's got so many drills in it. Now this is actually the square AB drill set. Square AB drill set. It's 133 colors, and these are actually 1 ounce each. So these are really big bags compared to the other ones. So this is how they came, just laying in piles like this. And what I did was I organized them, but I don't have enough room to fit all of them down in here. So thus the big box, and this huge box that I got, I can barely even get it all in the frame. It has like a elastic enclosure instead of the magnetic one, but look at this box, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. $12 at Joann's. I'm telling you, all their fancy decorative flip top boxes are on sale. You should totally go over there if you're looking for something. So here is the square AB drills checklist. You can see, and it's 2 pages. I can't remember, there's nothing on the back of that page. Yeah. So this is what you get. Once again, you can look and see if there's a certain color you want. First, you can look on the list and see if it's on there. And then if it is, you can go in here and get it. So these are the 1 ounce size bags. And she has everything labeled really nice. You can see the color, you can see the DMC number, and then it's in this great big package. So if you're looking at the 14 gram size, which are the rounds, it looks like this. And if you get the 1 ounce size, it looks like this. So you can see the difference. You get a much larger amount in this bag. All right. So let me move these off the top and I'll show you what I did. I have most of them in color order, but the ones that are on the top I haven't done yet because I didn't have enough room. So let's take all these off of here. These fit okay, but they're a little bit taller than the box, so I kind of had to crunch them down again. I mean, I could probably get a couple more in there, but they're pretty tight. So that's where the big box comes in. So once again, I took these guys, put them down in here, and then put one in the center you can kind of see there so that they'll stay up in there. It's nice, it's organized. You can shut the box, you can stack it, whatever you want to do. But this is how I'm going to do it. So move this over, and then pull out my big box. And then you can see this will be a little bit taller than the envelope, so it'll be nice. And then, let's see these guys. Yeah, that's gonna set down in there just fine. So you'll be able to do 3 rows with just 3 of these. You can do it like that, and then take one and put it in the center and it'll hold them up. So this will be perfect. I can shut these guys down in there and they'll be all color organized. So I hope this helps you guys, and it just kind of gives you an idea of how to organize. Like I said, I think she's still got some of these sets available. You'll have to go to shimmeringcanvases.com. I'll put the link down below, and you'll have to look and see under sets, because she has sets, or she has like the big set, or she has smaller sets that have, you know, I don't know, maybe a square crystal drill set that has like, you know, 5 or 10 colors in it. So you can get these in smaller amounts if you don't want 67 colors. But y'all know me, I use special drills on like every painting that I do. So I figured this would be good. I'll definitely use them. It'll definitely take me a while to use them, but you should go check it out. And, you know, like I said, these sets are a little bit more expensive. So I'm not going to tell you how much they are. I'm just going to tell you they're between 40 and 60% off of what you would normally pay for full sets through Shimmering Canvases. And I know Dawn was just doing a limited release of each of them. So even if you got some boxes from Joann's that were really inexpensive, and then you bought, you know, you started out slowly and bought just a handful of square, round, or square crystal drills, then that's a good start. So what I'll do is I'll organize these, and I'll take this and I'll organize them in my bigger box, and then I'll show you what they look like. All right, guys, so quick little clip here. This is what the, what am I trying to say? The crystal drills look like, just sort of separated by color groups. I don't have them in any specific order. I'll just kind of put them lightest to darkest, and then I will put them in this little box. All right, I'll be back. Here is the box with all of the crystal drills organized. You can see it fits really nicely in there. Here is a fuchsia AB, and we've got pink flame. There's just a bunch of really pretty colors in here. Amethyst. So I just have them all put down in here, and you can see this is actually considered a medium-sized box, just so you know. And then in the extra large box that I got from Joann's, you can see all of the really large packets in here, and these are the 1 ounce packets. So that's what they look like. And like I said, this box is huge. This box is considered an extra large. So just to give you an idea, if you're wanting to do the full set of ABs in the 1 ounce, if she's still got them, it's a really large box. And then here's the medium. So I hope this helped you guys, and I hope you have a great day. And until next time, I'll see you then. Bye, guys.